So today we are going to learn the basic alphabets. So giving you the basic introduction first of all before starting with the alphabets. Just like in English we have 26 alphabets, same way we have 26 alphabets in French as well. So the alphabets are same, we write it in the same way, just the pronunciation is different. So let's get started with the pronunciations. A, which is A in English. So the example I have mentioned over here is arrobas, which means at the rate. A. Then we have be, which is B in English. Bebe, which means a baby. Say, which we pronounce as C in English. Say, shark, cat. They, which is pronounced as a D in English. They, dama, it means tomorrow. A, which is pronounced as E in English. École, school. École, school. Then we have F, which is pronounced as same in English as well. F, frigo, which means a fridge. The perfect way for saying fridge is refrigerator, which means a refrigerator, but frigo is more commonly used in French. And last we have J, which is G in English. J, Gare, railway station. Gare, railway station. Next we have H. H is H in French. The example I have mentioned over here is ibu, means owl. If you see, I am saying ibu. I have mentioned H in the spelling, but I am not pronouncing H because in French we don't really pronounce the alphabet H. Next we have E, which is I in English. E. The example is C. It means here. Next we have G, which is J in English. G. The example I have written is J. It means a game. We have L. L is pronounced same in English. L. The example I have written is Li, and it means bed. Next we have M. M is pronounced as same in English as well. M. Example is मैं. It means sea. And we have N. It's the same in English as well. N. Nedge, and it means snow. It means orange. Next we have P, which is pronounced as P in English. P, pear, it means father. Q, which is pronounced as Q in English as well. Q. Example here is qua, and it means when. Air, it's pronounced as R in English. Air. The example here is Ren, which means queen. S, soleil, and it means sun. Next we have Te. The example is Te, which means tea. U. The example here is A, which means one. Ve, which is V in English. Velo, it means bike. W, which is W. Wagon, which is a wagon. X, which is X in English. Xylophone in English as well we say that, and it's a musical instrument. Y, which is Y in English. Ear is the example I have mentioned, and it means eyes. And last we have Z, which is Z in English. Zebra, which means a zebra. Let's get started with revising all the alphabets together. A, B, C, D, A, F, J, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I'll see you in the next part with a new topic. Till then, don't forget to subscribe. Follow for more. Thank you. See you in the next part.